Dear friends, today my son Himanshu is going to solve this 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I will first scramble it and then I will let him to solve it. Okay. Now come Himanshu and solve it.
So friends, I am going to solve this Rubik's Cube. Please watch till end. So friends, as you can see, the 3x3 Rubik's Cube is solved. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Dear friends, he has solved it in about 1 minute and 49 seconds. Now he is trying to solve it by blindfold. He will scramble it himself and then he will try to solve it. Now come Himanshu.
So dear friends, now I am going to solve this Rubik's Cube by blindfold. So please watch till end. The whole Rubik's Cube is solved. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Dear friends, he has solved it by blindfold in about 30 seconds. So give a like, a comment to inspire him, and please share the video with your friends and families. My channel contents also include music teaching videos, keyboard and harmonium. Please keep watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.